How to fix check for updates button missing in Windows 10. If you cannot update your Windows 10 PC due to the missing check for updates button, try the following troubleshooting methods. Method 1. 1. Launch the local group policy editor via gpedite.msc. 2. Navigate to Computer Configuration Administrative Templates Control Panel. 3. Locate then Edit Settings page visibility by enabling the disabled option. The other voice on the web. Not configured. 4. Now go to User Configuration Administrative Templates Control Panel. 5. Disable Show Only Specified Control Panel Items. 6. Restart your device and try updating your Windows 10 later. Plan B, under both configuration and user configuration, go to Administrative Templates Windows Components, set Not Configured to Windows Update Sub-Policies instead. Method 2, run the following. Command as admin, PowerShell.exe. Command, new object object Microsoft.update.auto-update, .detect now. Method 3, run Windows up. Troubleshooter. Method 4, open then. Up registry editor. Go to hkey_local_machine/software/Microsoft/current version/policies/explorer. Locate then delete an entry, named settings page visibility. Method 5, reset Windows. Components by running these commands as admin, task kill/f/fi services eq wowserve netstop crypt sv netstop bits netstop missa server ren c:\windows\soft twa redistribution software distribution.old reamder c:\windows\soft twa redistribution /data store reamder c:\windows\soft twa redistribution /download. If the Windows Update button missing issue persists, run the following set of commands: netstop bits netstop wowserve netstop apids netstop crypt ren %system root %/ software distribution.boc ren %system root %system 32 /catro2 netstart bits netstart wowserve netstart apids netstart crypt method 6, create a new user account. Method 7, perform an in-place upgrade via Microsoft Windows 10 Media Creation Tool.